Buying your first home? It's exciting, but can be a little overwhelming. Don't worry, we'll break it down into 5 simple steps to get you started with confidence. Step 1. Know your budget. Add up your income, monthly expenses, and savings. Use a mortgage calculator to estimate how much house you can afford, including taxes and insurance. Step 2. Check your credit score. The higher your score, the better your loan terms. If it needs improvement, start paying down debts and avoid taking on new loans. Step 3. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. It's free, fast, and shows sellers you're serious. It also tells you exactly how much a lender will let you borrow. Step 4. Find a great real estate agent. A good agent understands your needs, negotiates smartly, and walks you through every step, from tours to closing day. Step 5. Tour homes, ask questions, and trust your instincts. When you find the right one, your agent helps you make an offer. Inspect it and seal the deal. Home buying is a big step, but you've got this. Start smart, stay informed, and take it one step at a time. Like and subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions below.